everyone and welcome to a new YouTube video of Femke Kokke. This time I am going to make a mixed media scrapbooking layout. Using the color kit of June 2019, I first apply some gesso through the stencil on a white cardstock. When the gesso is dry, I am using the Lindy Stamp Gang magical powders to add some color on the background. I first add some water to the powder and then splatter it on my page, adding some water to create a larger stain. Then I'm adding some extra interest on my background using the stamps of Heidi Swap that are in the embellishment kit. I stamped some of the stamps on a strip of white cardstock to cut them out. Then I'm cutting out two pieces of design paper. The first one with the flowers is from Simple Stories and the second one is from Vicky Boutin. I trim down the pieces of design paper and then I add some black lines on the outside with a 0.05 fine liner and a ruler. And I'm also outlining the frame that is in the embellishment kit. Next step, I'm adding some of the die cuts to clouds from the die cuts also from Femke Kokke. One of the die cuts, a yellow flower, I cut in half and placing them on the top and the bottom of my layout. And now I'm adding summertime, the word summertime, with the indigo color of the thickers. Also, I'm adding some of the chipboard stickers from Thickers that are also in the embellishments kit. And that's it. I hope you like my layout as much as I do, and I also hope to inspire you. And of course, I also hope to see you in a next video. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.